We had it good, you know. I spent like 6 years making sure you came home to love. You had it good, you know. I stood by your side. I spent up so much time trying to make you happy. I don't think you ever could be happy. Maybe you should try some therapy. Maybe you should lose a couple homeboys, give up on the homegrown. Look at me, 'cause I need you to understand. Now when you think of late nights with me there in your bed, true ride or die, that's what you had. I loved you, I loved you, I loved you. When you think of my body on yours, don't forget once I would have died for you, baby. I loved you, I loved you, I loved you. But that was then. But that was then. You don't know shit, you know. You act this big man and you think you are in control, but you don't know shit, you know. I stood by your side and pulled you away from your fire. Again and again and again. I should've known fire would win. Maybe you should try some therapy. Maybe you should lose a couple homeboys, give up on the homegrown. Look at me, 'cause I need you to understand. Now when you think of late nights with me there in your bed, true ride or die, that's what you had. I loved you, I loved you, I loved you. When you think of my body on yours, don't forget once I would have died for you, baby. I loved you, I loved you, I loved you. But that was then. That was then. You're gonna miss me, really gonna miss me. You're gonna miss me, you're gonna miss me. You're gonna miss me, really gonna miss me. You're gonna miss me, really gonna miss me. You're gonna miss me, you're gonna miss me. You're gonna miss me, really gonna miss me. Now when you think of late nights with me there in your bed, true ride or die, that's what you had. I loved you, I loved you, I loved you. When you think of my body on yours, don't forget once I would have died for you, baby. I loved you, I loved you, I loved you. But that was then. But that was